Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This is the 2007 Toyota Yaris. Today, I am going to change out the serpentine belt or replace the serpentine belt. That be the alternator, AC compressor, water pump belt. This is all the same. Could be the problem you facing right now. It could be a squeaking belt, or when you tune your AC on and it will start clicking for a minute and then it stop, or sometimes when you tune your bright light on and other stuff, it will quick for so many minutes, or when it's cold it will quick squeaking and then high pitch noise. If that's your problem, so this is the video for you. Let's go ahead and change this thing out. I'll be back. All right, safety first. Make sure you move this ground cable from the negative post over here, just like this over here. You can move the positive as well if you want to. So we got the first step. Now let's go ahead. Let's take a look at the belt before we start the work or the job. Here's the alternator, and right there, that's the water pump, and way down there, that's the um, AC compressor right there. And way back here, it's hard to see, it's down there, that's the crankshaft right there. As you can see, that shining stuff over there, that's the crankshaft. So I did make some drawing or some diagram right here, that way you can follow it. As you can see, under the hood, there is the crankshaft right here, and the AC compressor, the water pump, and the alternator. So that's how the belt goes around those things. So the alternator, that's the tensioner. So we have to loosen the alternator to go that way, and this will keep the belt as slack, and then we can take it off around here, or we put it back in here, whatever the understanding you get over there. So first, we had to do some job over here at the alternator, and the rest it should be easy around. So this video, it is very easy if you follow the step what I'm going to show you. The tool you're going to need a 12 millimeter and a 14 millimeter and a ratchet as well. And you may end up needing this as well, but I will show you why. Now take your 12 millimeter, loosen this thing up right here, just like that, and it should move like that. If it doesn't move like that, and now take your 14 millimeter, loosen this one down here, over here. I hope you can see it. That bolt over there, but mine right now it is loose, so it is easy for me. So what you're gonna do in this one? This is the hardest stuff to do over here. It's because there is the AC or the free online over here. It is very hard to put your tool in there. If you're using this kind of tool over here, kind of thin and short, and it's got power as well, so it could be easy for you, but you have to use the exact tool, because if it's thick wall, it will not fit, but you have to use the thin wall to fit in that one, because there is the water pump. It's right here. Will not This tool will not go in there if it's thick. So just put in there. My right now it is perfect. So just put in there like this, and then keep going like that. But mine is loose, I can't really show you. But if you tool, if you don't have this tool, let's put it that way. So in your case, you may end up using one of these wrench over here, which this is impossible to use it. It's because of the AC line over here. But it is easy if you get a 10 milli over here and loosen this bolt down here, over here, right here. As you can see, that bolt over there, this is a bracket down here. Let me get you a better look at that one. Right there, that's the bolt right there. That's 10 millimeter, and this is the bracket over here, which that's holding the AC uh, pipe over here. So that bolt have to be completely out. So after remove that bolt over there, so this bracket now it's loose. So now you can move this out that way and back and forth. So but to do that, to give you enough space, put something over here like a tool or something. You put it between here, that way it will push this one away from here. And now you can put your tool between this pipe down here and to that place over there. But right now, there's not enough space over here, so you can push this out that way, and then there's plenty of space. So now at this point, you should be able to loosen that 14 millivolt over there, and now you alternator should go back and forth like this. If it's not, get some hammer to loosen it up. It should move like that. That's all you have to do. So now you have to just push the alternator back away that way. That way it will keep you a lot of slack from the belt. And now pull the belt up this way, just like that over here. It's out right now. Just hold it like that. If you don't want to lose the let's just say you're just changing the alternator, you just want to do it like this and tie it up somewhere, that way you don't lose the traction down there. In this case, we had to change the whole thing, and we got our diagram already, so we're not going to worry about lose our diagram. Now just take it off around the water pump, just like this. It should come up this way, move it around this way, and then it comes off at the AC and the crankshaft. That you should be able to pull it up like this. Look at right there. It's oh. So now the old one is out right here, and this is the new one right here. This is the number I am going to use right there, and that's the name. I can't say the name. That's what I'm showing you right now. You can help yourself right there. So let's go ahead and see if they the same thing. The new one it should be shorter than the old one. Yeah, it is shorter. See what the new one is stretched out. Make sure it is even right there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the same thing over here. So as you can see, right there, what I'm trying to show right there, it's the rib or the slot over there. All right, now here's the hard stuff that if you don't follow this video, but it is going to be easy if you follow this video. So go ahead, slide your belt down here like I'm doing right now. I'm gonna put it underneath the AC compressor, and then on the crankshaft pulley, make sure it's not on something else down there like I'm doing right now. It's hanging on something else down there like that, and then put it around the alternator right here, and now it is on there. Right now it is around the alternator and the AC and the crankshaft. So basically right now it is right here and up here. It's not on the water pump yet. So now the belt is right here. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to pull this belt from here and wrap it around the water pump, just like this over here. But I wish you can see this thing, but I know you can see it. That's why I made that diagram over there on my drawing. So right now, like I say, it's on there. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to pull this belt tight as much as I can here. Make sure it's not hanging somewhere else. All right, right now we got enough slack over here, enough belt. It was hanging on one of those bolt down there. So in your case, that could be your problem as well. So now I'm going to put my finger right here on the alternator, and I'm going to try to hold this up right here, and I'm going to put my hand on the AC right now, and then I'm going to push this on belt like folded in around the water pump. All right, I think it's in there. Let's see. Perfect. Now it is on there. Now finally make sure it's on the crankshaft correctly around the AC and the alternator. The alternator is easy over here. Now it is around the water pump right now. So what you're going to do at this moment, because nothing else to do right now, really. What you have to do right now is to tie this one up over here. The way you're going to do this is to put a pry bar, put it down here. Do not put it over here because there is a solenoid over here and you can mess that one up. So try to put it right here and pry the alternator out this way to put tension on it like that, and then tie it down like this. Make sure you put enough tension on it, and after that one, push on your belt. Make sure it does not go down. Make sure it's tight like it should. The job it is done right now. But one more thing, if you remove that or loosen up the bottom screw over there, now make sure you tie that one up, and then that bracket here as well. Make sure do that one and that one. Finally, put your battery back. You know how to do that. I don't have to tell you. Now should be perfect in place. It's mine right now. It is on there. The bolts, everything is good, and I'm good to go. All right, we are finally finished. Here's the old one, and here's the donut right here. I still got one right there. So I hope this video it was helpful for you. Let me know in the comment if you know do better than I do, and let me know or let other people know in the bottom. That way they can do as well. But this is the best I do. This is what I know. This is how I help. That being said, guys, thank you very much for subscribing, liking, sharing my video. All that thing you do at this channel, it is helpful and it is grateful, appreciated. Until next video, bye for now. Ciao, adios.